am here with my friend Pixie. Hi. This is my awesome new hula hoop that she made for me because her studio is Pixie Dance Hoops, so you too can get an awesome custom-made hula hoop. Not sure what a good learner I am, but she's gonna attempt to teach me how to hula hoop. So, are you ready?
Yes.
All right,
go.
You're the expert. How do I begin?
Okay, put the hoop on your waist. You want to get it at the small of your back. You can either put your feet shoulder width apart and move your hips side to side, side to side, or you can put one foot in front of the other and you can rock your hips forward and backward. Whatever you're more comfortable with. You want small rocks, okay?
Small rocks, okay.
Start out one foot in front of the other.
Okay.
Okay. Give it a big throw and move forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. A little bit faster. Keep going. Go, keep going, keep going.
I'm
She
going.
got it. Look at it. First try.
I'm going.
Yay!
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm really proud of myself right now.
Hello friends, this is Gone for Hammerhands. Thank you for checking out Fairy Princess Lolly's channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to support these magical creations, fly over to our Patreon and join the fairy family. Safe travels!